Hi again. So basically we're going through all the different levels for the different badges and everything, and this would be number 3 obviously because it's got number 3 written there. And what I'm trying to do with all the photographs that my daughter took is to try and give them a different posture every time, so it makes the actual image look different. So what I'm going to show you now is the actual pencil rendering of how I did this one and try to slightly caricaturize it. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Hi there, okay, so we finished 1 and 2, we're moving on to rendering of 3 now. It's got a slightly different pose, less detailing in the body area, but I've got a more sinister, funny face on, so we'll see if we can make it work and look good. I'm going to change the background colour, and that's probably about the only difference, and probably do another metallic look on the actual number 3. Okay, so that's basically it.